Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is also Warrior. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 things you need to do if you have this particular issue with your Pi. First, I'm going to be talking about slot not available. Second is the migration queue, and thirdly is migrated Pi return to Pi app. So all you have to do is to stick from the beginning of this video to the end, as I'm going to be showing you all you need to do to get migrated to your Pi wallet. So for the first one, I'm going to be talking about the slot not available. So for most users who has been on the KYC issue since, that has been having this issue of migrating, so you can see whenever you want to do your KYC, you will see slot not available. I'm going to show you how to solve that. So all you have to do now is to head over to your Pi app here. As you can see, this is my Pi app here. So once you head over to this place, come over to this 3 dotted line here, come over to the support portal. So once you come to this support portal here, it's going to automatically load here where you see Pi Network Support Portal. Type in the inbox to search for help. So all you have to do now is to go straight to this particular place. Once you go straight to this place, you can see this need to raise a request, contact us. So all you have to do now is to click this place. Once you click it, it's going to redirect you to this page where you will see all the issues here which you have to do. You can see account deletion, wallet and browser. You can see can't create new account, trouble signing in, forget password, account setting, verification of accounts, security cycle. So all you have to do now is to head over to the down part here. You can see the community proposal / feature request. Come over to this part where they say KYC. Hit the KYC here, which is going to redirect you to this KYC part. You can see KYC slot assignments were previously initiated based as of March 14, 2023. Anyone should be able to visit the KYC via Pi app browser and start your KYC application without waiting for an invitation, with exception of these 2 scenarios. So all you have to do now is to come over to this place now to fill this form. If you have been receiving slots not available, you can see, make sure you enter the email you used in registering your Pi app. Then coming over to the Pi username, make sure you copy your username correctly. Copy your username correctly and place it on this place. Then coming over to this part here where they said the verification method, you can see your verification method, any method you use in verifying your Pi app. You can see the verification method, phone number, Facebook, email, unverified, I can't remember my password. So you can see you can choose any of these options. For me, I use my email, so I can hit this, or I can also use my phone number here. Then coming over to the password here, all you have to do is to click this, whether you will remember your password or you do not remember your password. And you can see I never set a password, so you can choose the yes or no or the last part here. So for me, I remember my password, so which I'm going to go straight and hit this yes. You can come over to the citizenship, make sure you choose the citizen of your country. Make sure you choose, if you're not in your country, you can also choose where you are, so make sure you choose this correctly. Coming over to the resident part here, you can see what's your country of residence. Make sure you hit this correctly. So but it's not necessarily compulsory. As you can see, there is no red asterisk at the up here, so maybe you can decide to skip this, but you can choose it if you want to choose. Then coming over to this, whether you are using an Android or an iOS, you can see I can actually choose using an Android or an iOS. So for iOS users, make sure you choose the iOS part, and for Android users, make sure you choose the Android part. So all I'm going to do is to hit the Android here. Then coming over to this, the version, you can choose the version of your phone, but it's not compulsory that you choose this. Then coming over to the phone brand here, you can choose your phone brand if you decide to, but it's not compulsory, you can just skip it. Then coming over to disk here, period to application here, you can see I cannot access the Pi browser. For those who cannot access the browser, you can see I cannot open the KYC app in the Pi browser. I cannot open the KYC app, but I can get a loading spinner. I get the a slot is not available at the time pop up on the KYC app. So these are people I'm actually doing this video for. For those who is getting this, all you have to do now is to click I get the slot not available. So once you do this now, you come over to this part and check out all this so you can choose correctly. You can see when submitting your KYC application, for those who submitted their wrong ID or uploaded a wrong name, so come over to this place. You can see issue with the first screen, consent, age, country, ID type. So you can see this here. You can go ahead to choose this issue with uploading the ID document. You can choose if your picture is correct or this. So these are a lot of issues some people are facing on the Pi app. So make sure you go straight and click the exact issue you are facing on this particular place. As you can see, I'm only doing for those who have not gotten a slot for their KYC verification. So I'm going ahead here to choose the none here. Coming over to this, you can see KYC review pending. When did you apply? So if you remember when you apply, you can choose it. If you don't remember, just come to this part that says I don't remember and choose correctly. Then come over to the requested of your pending KYC application. I submitted the wrong type of ID. For those having the issue, make sure you go straight and click this. The name I use for the KYC application is different from the name I use to register for the account. So go ahead to and make sure you hit this. Then coming over to the validation type, you can see when reviewing your KYC application from others, you can go ahead, go through this and choose correctly on any part of what you are fixing on your Pi app. Then coming over to this, you can see I want to leave comments not directly related to the application. I want to suggest an alternative KYC solution. I have a report related to KYC validation data. I have seen a bug which does not impact the appearance but would still like to report it. So you can go over and choose this correctly. So for the description here, I'm going to show you all you have to do. So move over to any of the problem you are having here. So all I'm going to do now is to head over to the KYC part here. So all I'm going to do is to copy this. I'm going to drag this here. So all I'm going to do is to hit the copy here. Once I'm done copying this, I'm going to head over to the down part here where I'm going to be submitting this. So once I'm on this part which said description, I'm going to paste what I copied here. So you can see if you're having other problems at the up here, so just head straight and copy it and paste at the down part here. Then coming over to this screenshot here, for those getting this whenever they try to do their KYC, make sure you get that screenshotted. Once you screenshot that, come over to the browser part here and upload that directly. You can choose it on your file here and make sure you upload that directly. Once you are done uploading that, all you have to do is to click the send part, and this will be responded to within 2 or 3 days. For some it takes a week. So make sure you go over this if you are having slots not available. So all I'm going to do now is to head over to the second part on the migration queue. If you are on the migration queue, and if you have watched this video to this extent and you have not subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn over the notification bell to get all my updates whenever I draw them, as I'm going to be walking you through on the second part of this video, which is for those that are on the migration queue that have not yet been migrated. So all I'm going to do now is to head back here. So once I head back here, so for those in the migration queue, all you have to do now is to come over to this place now and head over to your profile. Once you head over to your profile here, you can see this my profile here. All you have to do is to go ahead and update your password. Go ahead and update your password. So you can enter your phone number, choose the country you are in. So come over to this place, choose any country you are in. Once you are done with this, enter the phone number and hit the start. So you are going to get your phone number verified so you can be able to update your password. Go ahead and do this so you can update your password. Then thirdly, I'm going to be talking about those that their Pi was recently migrated and returned to the Pi app. So all you have to do to make sure you don't lose out on the next migration, and if you are in the 14 days Pi migration, make sure to go straight and do this immediately so your Pi won't be returned to the Pi app. So all you have to do now is to head back to this place, just hit this here, come over to this mainnet here. Once you come over to this place, so it's going to load this, so you can come over to the mainnet checklist here. Once this loads successfully, you are going to come to the confirm wallet here. You can see here, manually unlock the wallet using your passphrase to demonstrate you can access it. This also confirms that your mainnet balance will transfer to the wallet. You can see here, all you have to do is to enter your seed phrase here. Please make sure you don't share this to anyone, as anyone can get your Pi transferred out. Once you share this, don't share this passphrase with anybody. So all you have to do now is to enter your passphrase here. Once you enter your passphrase here, the email you use in opening your Pi, a link will automatically be sent to your email for you to verify. So once you verify that, you will be automatically added to the next migration queue, so you won't lose out. And for those who are yet to be migrated, like that have been migrated and still waiting for the 14 days for their Pi to be unlocked to their wallet, make sure you go ahead and confirm this immediately, as if you don't do that, your Pi will be returned back to the Pi app. So for you to avoid this, make sure to get this confirmed so you won't miss out on this particular thing. So make sure you get this confirmed and verify your email, and your Pi will be automatically migrated to your available balance. So make sure you don't miss out on this. So these are the 3 steps you have to follow not to miss out on any part of Pi. For those having issue on slot not available, migration queue, and those that has been migrated and your Pi has been returned to the Pi wallet. So once all this is green, you know you are not at fault. You can see here that I've done mine. You can see I've been migrated, everything is completed. So make sure you go ahead to complete this, download Pi app, create wallet, go ahead to get all this done, so you will be able to get your Pi sold or transferred to anyone you want to, or trade it on your BitGet account. So if you are coming by my channel for the first time again, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get all the updates I'm going to be dropping here. And if you have not joined our Telegram community, make sure you join our Telegram community so you can get more updates. So see you on my next video, and thank you for watching.